Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, make sure to subscribe. My name is Lily Jasmine, and today we are twerking in splits. You do need some flexibility for this, but not as much as you think you might need, because we're not sitting in a full split. But we'll get to that in a second. Make sure that you have something to cover your knees if you're on a hard surface, or if you are on a carpet. Make sure that you don't get carpet burn, because no one wants that. Make sure you either have knee pads, long cans or whatever, or something to have under your knee. Let me grab something. I didn't bring my knee pads, so for me it's just shorts today that I use. I'll just fold them up and put them on the floor. I'm assuming that you are already warm, so do not do this if you have not warmed up your splits just yet. I normally, when I warm up, I do a little full body warm up, which is rotating everything and making sure that my hips are nice and loose, my lower back's nice and loose. Then I will also warm up my hamstrings and my groin, so like this, and I'll go back a few times. Pick the side for this tutorial that you are most comfortable with. So for me, that is my left leg to the front, my right to the back. If it's the other way around for you, do the other way around, because I'm not also trying to torture you in your splits. So make sure that you pick the side that you prefer. Make sure that it's nice and warm. Ideally, both of them are nice and warm. So if that's not the case yet, pause the video and continue warming up. I'm already warm, so we're just gonna hop in. So if you're warm, stay with me. First, we will bring the leg that we want in front to the front. So we are here, and we slide our back leg back. So we keep the knee on the floor, we slide it back, we stretch out our front leg. So we are in our splits, but we have our weight on our hands. I'm just gonna exaggerate so you can see. This is where our weight is. It is to the front. So we're not really sitting on top of our splits. We are hanging in front of it. Now, if you want, you can roll this leg in a little tiny bit, the front leg, to make sure that you point your toes, because we do not want to sit like this. That doesn't look cute. Now, if you want to be able to do ta, 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 you will have to the first thing you'll have to do is bring your weight to your hands. And then what you do is you push up. We're just pushing up. You push up with your arms, and you keep your back knee on the floor, and you come down. Push up, come down. Push up, come down. Push up, come down. If you're comfortable with that, and if it feels like that is going great, then nice, you're ready for step number 2. So come back into the position, again with the leg in front that you prefer. Come back into the position, make sure that your weight is on your hands. Now, instead of just pushing up, we are going to also tense our lower back, so contract our lower back muscles to make sure that our booty goes up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And then when you speed that up, that will look something like this. Boom, 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 boom. I hope that helped. Let me know in the comments how that worked for you. I know twerking in splits for the first time it feels like this, but I promise you, the more you practice and the more you break it down in steps, the easier it gets. So hope it worked out for you. Let me know, and I'll see you back for next week's tutorial. Bye.